Imagine waking up 30 days from now, looking in the mirror, and seeing a slimmer, healthier you. All without stepping foot in a gym. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you it's not only possible but also achievable through intermittent fasting? In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can melt away 20 pounds in just 30 days using this powerful weight loss method. But before we jump in, let me introduce you to Sarah, a busy mom of two who thought she'd tried everything to lose weight. Little did she know, her weight loss journey was about to take an unexpected turn. Stick around to hear how Sarah transformed her body and her life, and how you can too. We'll cover everything from how intermittent fasting works its magic, to what you can eat, and even how to maintain your results long term. Also, if you get any value from this video, please subscribe to my channel. This is free for you to do, but will help me out a lot. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of effortless weight loss? Let's get started. Sarah had always been skeptical of quick weight loss claims. After years of yo-yo dieting, she'd almost given up hope. But when her friend mentioned losing 20 pounds in a month through intermittent fasting, Sarah's curiosity was piqued. What do I have to lose, she thought, deciding to give it a shot. To her amazement, the pounds started melting away. By the end of the 30 days, Sarah had indeed lost 20 pounds. But more importantly, she felt energized, focused, and in control of her eating habits for the first time in years. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sarah's story sounds almost too good to be true. And you're right to be cautious. While results can vary from person to person, many people experience significant weight loss with intermittent fasting. The key lies in understanding how it works and following a consistent plan. As Sarah dove into her intermittent fasting journey, she was curious about the science behind it. She learned that when we fast, our bodies enter a state called ketosis. It's like flipping a switch that turns our bodies into fat-burning machines. Here's what happens. When we're not constantly eating, our insulin levels drop. This signals our body to start using stored fat for energy. It's like our body is saying, "Hey, no food coming in? No problem, I'll just burn this fat I've been saving." Plus, fasting can boost our metabolism and reduce inflammation, both of which contribute to weight loss. Excited by the science, Sarah was ready to start. But she quickly realized she needed a structured plan. That's when she discovered the 16/8 method, the same method I'm proposing for our 30-day challenge. It's simple. You fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For Sarah, this meant eating between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., then fasting until 12 p.m. the next day. She found this schedule flexible enough to fit her busy life as a mom. As Sarah's weight started to drop, her husband John became concerned. "Is it safe to lose weight this fast?" he asked. It's a valid question, and one Sarah had herself. The truth is, rapid weight loss can be safe if done correctly. Intermittent fasting, when combined with a balanced diet, is generally considered safe for most people. However, Sarah made sure to consult with her doctor before starting, especially since she was breastfeeding her youngest. It's always wise to check with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet regimen. One of the things that attracted Sarah to this plan was the no gym required part. As a busy mom, finding time for the gym was nearly impossible. But she wondered if she needed to do any exercise at all. While you don't need to hit the gym, staying active can boost your results. Sarah found simple activities like walking with her kids, doing yoga while they napped, or quick home workouts when she had a spare moment worked well. The focus is on making sustainable lifestyle changes, not grueling workout sessions. At first, Sarah panicked about what to eat. She imagined surviving on lettuce and water. But she quickly learned that wasn't the case at all. During your eating windows, focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods. Sarah filled her plate with lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats. She found that eating balanced meals kept her satisfied during fasting periods and provided the nutrients her body needed. As a social person, Sarah worried intermittent fasting would kill her social life. She loved brunches with her friends and family dinners. To her surprise, she found intermittent fasting gave her more freedom. Sarah learned to adjust her eating window to accommodate social events. If she knew she had a dinner plan, she'd shift her eating window later that day. When eating out, she focused on making healthier choices within her eating window. She even found that fasting made her more mindful of what she was eating, leading to better food choices overall. As the 30 days came to an end, Sarah had achieved her goal of losing 20 pounds. But she was worried about gaining it all back. She'd been on the yo-yo diet roller coaster before and didn't want to repeat that experience. Sarah discovered that intermittent fasting could be a sustainable lifestyle change, not just a quick fix. After the 30 days, she continued with the same schedule, adjusting it as needed to fit her long-term goals. The habits she developed during this time, mindful eating, better food choices, and listening to her body, served her well in maintaining her weight loss. Sarah's story shows that transforming your body and life through intermittent fasting is possible. Now, let's recap the actionable steps you can take to start your own intermittent fasting journey. Choose your 8-hour eating window that fits your lifestyle. Start with a 16-8 fasting schedule. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods during your eating periods. Stay hydrated during fasting periods. Incorporate light physical activity like walking or yoga. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have any health concerns. Remember, the key to success is consistency and patience. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier relationship with food in your body. So, are you ready to start your 30-day transformation? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Your future self will thank you.